That is how they're going to carry you until they get you to your base. Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is Nelima. If you're new here, you're very welcome. Go ahead and click the subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always catching up with me. Yeah, so it's Saturday morning. I'm on my way to Karura Forest for a little hike. Yeah, it's currently 7:37 a.m. in the morning. The meeting point is Karura Gardens. We're supposed to be there at around 8:30, so I guess I'll be there in good time. Yeah, I'm looking forward to having a very lovely, exciting day, and I'm happy to tag you guys along. So stick around to see how it goes. Unaweza ingia tu. This is the entrance. Unaweza ingia tu.
Kwa restaurant hapa?
Hata hapa ni sawa.
$550.
Okay.
Hapa sawa.
Hapa ni sawa. Morning, guys. So I have arrived at the meeting place. Turns out the meeting location was changed from Karura Gardens to Ramsha Place. So right now I am at Ramsha Place, and I think it was very early because not so many people have arrived. Yeah, but I'm here enjoying the sun. I love the morning sun. Yeah, as we continue to wait for other people to arrive, and depending on how things go, I can give you a tour of the place, because yeah, this is also Luna Park. Yeah, so I could just move around, check out the place as we wait for the rest of the team to arrive. But so far so good. This is going to be my first hike of the year, and my first time hiking at Karura Forest. So far I'm enjoying hiking, and I plan to do it a little more often this year. So yeah, I'd love to say that it's a good start to the year. So guys, it's been like 2 to 3 hours since I arrived at Ramsha Place. Yeah, we had to wait for people to arrive, and we're just about to start the hike. We are going in for a quick briefing, and then we can proceed to Karura for now the hike. It's 10 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, the sun is out. Yeah, looking forward to. I posted a story on Instagram saying that I'm getting ready for my Karura hike, and some of you all came at me, and you're saying that Karura is not a hike, that is a walk. Okay, yeah. So I'm looking forward to doing my hot girl walk at Karura Forest.
Those of us who want to do 20 kilometers, show of hands. Oh, well done. So Tatiana is Eric here. So 20 kilometers. We'll be back here on time for soup and loads of fun activities. Okay, so the team behind me, part of the B officials, Silverback here, my brother Simon, he's on the fitness side of things with the BA. We have Kwame here, logistics, marketing, he's taking the BA to diaspora. Kwame Nkrumah, he's from Ghana. We have the young men here who are grooming themselves. Well, it's going to be officials later on. We have Ironman, the Special Forces Ironman. His operations at the BA. We have Isaac Harry, the Special Forces as well, pioneers now, first of the regionals, guys in the board. We have Patrice, Business Development, Irene, CFO, Chief Finance. Who else? We have Bungura at the come this side. We have Steve's an artist. This guy is the guy who did the BA song and is composing more and more. We have Mike. Mike is on the digital side of things. Looking good in these shots. They come from him. Who else? Well, so briefly that's the team, but you meet us better when the party kicks in later in the afternoon. So the way the BA does the stuff, the focus is on fitness. Mostly started during Corona, this is brief, but then it's expanded to other things. Part of fitness is that we take care of ourselves, but most of it is actually the environment, right? Yeah. So for us who are outdoor people, you go to some of these places, Ngong, wherever you find the manifestation of Kenyans' carelessness. So the environment is butchered, the environment is littered, all those things. Mainly back to now fitness. We thought it really wise to have a first aid brief, and we do this religiously before we do any event. Mtu anazaumia kidogo, or even after an event, you are home. This is pretty critical skill set to have. Yeah? Our children choke on the food, things happen, emergencies at home. So first aid is an amazing thing to actually have as a skill before you attempt anything else in life. So my brother Ian is going to take us through a brief. He's from Tebarba, he's also from Karura. So his language is going to be interesting. Yeah, so let's listen in and then we don't run into the next program. Thank you.
Hi.
Hi.
Habari zenu? Uko salama? Yes, the English of the you is very important. Of the knowing. Now of the talking is the listening of the you. The instructions of the given information. But the understanding of the you is very important of the you listening at your home in the later of the afternoon and tomorrow. Now, coming of the year.
So we are starting our walk. We are heading towards Karura Forest via the Kiambu Gates. We're using the Kiambu Gates. Yeah, I like to leave the park so that I can finish early. And guys are following right behind me. I was hoping that we'd start early before the sun comes out. So it's going to be it's going to be hectic with the heat. Yeah, with the sweltering Nairobi heat, it's going to be very challenging. But yeah, I know that we'll hack it. We shall hack it. Yeah. excited for the hike. Okay. We were at Drum Showcase, so I'll be waiting for guys to catch up with me.
Okay, BA is BA. I got video. Okay, 1, 2,
Guys are converging for a before photo. Yeah, it's a before the hike photo,
It's a BA challenge and
and
BA.
we're gonna take the after the hike photo. That is what is happening at the beginning. Yes, now we are doing this.
Comfortable for everybody. Go that way. So, Ampas, let's go that way.
Hike ready. Ah,
There's a day I went to Limuru and that guy, I asked the guy who was there, I didn't some fox. After that guy went and hunted that porcupine. He brought me many. I have a lot of them. And Nairobi stock feathers. I also have feathers and seashells. So I always collect these things.
watafiti sana. Nini?
This is my agenda.
They're giving the African vibe. Yeah. So guys, we are now at Karura Forest. We are going to Gate C, the Kiambu Road entrance. What? Aki, today it's crowded.
Yeah.
I want to go running at TembeaKenya.
Will you hack it? Introduce yourself and say hi to me.
Hi. My name is Kake Wakake, Watake Wasitake, Wapende Wasipende, ni Kake Wakake, Nyatiti player with swags, Kenyan, urban African. I live in the city, but I practice African Kenyan traditional musical instruments.
And so what are you doing here? Where are we and what are we doing here?
Today we are at Karura Forest, Gate C entrance for the BA challenge. As an individual, I'm an artist and I'm a fitness practitioner. I'm a fitness instructor, fitness guru. So being here today, I just want to join the rest of the team to go for a long and short hike. I don't know if it's a long walk or a short walk.
I've been told. I posted about this gig on my Instagram, and I was told that there's no hiking at Karura. It's a walk.
It's a walk, actually. It's a walk. So we're going to be walking, and then I used to come here for running. You can run in Karura.
As for me, it's my first time at Karura. It's my first time to come here.
Yeah, I'm sure you're gonna like it. So,
Kake has been here before.
Yeah, I've been here before. I've been here before several times, and I like the environment because there are a lot of trees. I like interacting with nature. So afterwards, since I brought my drums and my nyatiti, we're going to interact and do something that I call drum circle.
Look out for that.
Yeah, drum circle, we always do drums, like arrange a number of drums and give 2 sticks to each person who is next to a drum. Then we start playing together.
That's
Then
nice.
we create some nice musical.
I understand that at Karura there's the option of getting a bike instead of like taking a walk. So I'm going to check that out, find out the costs and whatnot. I'll be giving you a tour of Karura Forest today. I'm walking through the bike area. 200 per 500 for 2 hours. I didn't carry my ID, I didn't carry my DL or passport. I came with an Uber. So guys, we have begun the hike. What time is it now? It is now 11 a.m. Yeah.
Catch up with the people.
So we're gonna have to run so I can catch up with the rest of the team. I'll catch you guys later. We finally caught up. Yeah, that is the rest of the team over there. I had to do a sprint to catch up. Yeah, but now we're here, loving the greenery. It's so green and beautiful. Lots of fresh air. Nice place to hang around. Yeah.
Now, I'm a farmer, and this is what I came with them. I allowed them to come for the hike. Now, right now they are hiking. They are going to the river to take water. Then they will be joining us at Ramp, south. Yeah, this is my work. This is what I do for a living. These are mine.
In what sense?
Right? They are very expensive. Unaona ngozi ya hii? Ngozi yenyewe peke yake. Hujui wewe. Now these are the young ones. Yeah, I came with them for the hike.
Right. Umesimama hapo, Peter.
Unaogopa?
What?
Relax.
See what I do for a living.
Yeah, this is what I do.
The journey continues. Mugumo tree.
Yeah. Hey, there's no
Mugumo tree. What? For those who've never seen. Aki, I can see you've got skills.
Me. My one good talent.
You don't just want a talent like
Now
this.
what are
A
we
mere skill.
One good talent.
What? I can't even.
Gates was a clever man.
Look at that. Look at that, guys.
Chini kuna kuwa na njia ya kwenda.
Hello. How you doing, Mama?
Introduce yourself.
You good?
My name is Shakira. Yes.
Shakira, the vlogger. Why aren't you telling us about your channel?
Oh, my channel is Official Mascara. TikTok, Facebook, and what else?
Instagram.
And Instagram. Go and follow me, subscribe, do the good things there.
She's also vlogging, so look out for her Karura vlog.
Yes.
Yeah, what do you like about? Is it your first time here, Ama?
Yeah, it's my first time, and I'm tired already. I'm almost giving up.
She is sashaying with a bottle on her head. It has been so good. We're enjoying the vibes, the greenery, the weather.
Everything.
It's so good out here, but they love the fresh air. So refreshing,
It's not sunny.
scenic, serene, all the nice things. Yeah, so
Join us next time.
next
guys.
time, yeah,
Join
exactly.
us. Join
Yeah.
us. Follow their page. Follow everything. You're going to see everything that they do. It's a very, very, very nice group.
Yeah,
You will enjoy yourselves.
yes. It's a snack break for us here.
You want?
I don't see.
Kake has given me a sim.
I have one for you. Which one from here?
Ni mawe. Unajua ile mawe yenye inaliwa?
Healthy snacking. Good. Lovely theme.
This is the only snack that I brought.
Don't litter. Me didn't carry any snack.
Really?
Yeah.
Then tunaenda like 200
Now we're heading to the Karura caves, and then to the waterfall, and then to the.
then we go turn back to the gates.
This is Iron Man. You're?
Yeah, Yeah, I'm
It's so tall.
Yeah, so I need to kneel down.
I like your sunglasses. Hey, they're so hot.
Yeah, yeah.
Who are you at the BA? The guy there?
No. I have a...
What role are you playing here?
Yeah, today I'm playing the role of doctor. Yeah, I'm doctor today, first leader. I've got so many roles, but today I'm just playing the role of like a team guider.
Team guide.
I'm going to guide people all the way through to the main gate.
Nice.
Yeah,
He's very fit, very, very fit. You have
always.
no idea.
Yeah, from the bush.
So we're heading to the
You're going
to the caves.
Yeah. This was used by Mau Mau.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Every cave in Kenya was used by Mau Mau. Even the ones in Kisumu.
All caves were used by Mama.
All caves in Kenya
What for?
are for the Mau Mau.
Yeah.
And I'm a descendant of the Mau Mau. Viva Lord Gachagua. Mimi ndio mjukuu wa Mau Mau. Ndio original. Umechoka sana? Ndio stage kidogo tu. Kama ni strong. Hey, I like this sound. Nanikishamanga nasikia hizi.
The jingles, so cool. The necklace is so cool.
Abade's National Park. All the way. The summit, Elephant Hill. 2 hours. I want to go to Mount Kenya. I want to go to Mount Kenya.
I'm not sure I can have Mount Kenya, but I'd love to. There is a stream.
To go where? To go back to the cars? Yes, please.
Miles, go straight.
The one that we
Go straight. Go straight.
go straight, there's another cave, and then we turn back to the road.
You come back up, we'll do a reject in any place, yes.
Like we're going up.
The program is that we are headed north. Or this is south.
We're headed north.
And you headed north.
Ayo man!
Sudan. Alishachoka.
Bado. Olulua pia kuna falls.
Certainly not me. Wow. The caves of Karura Forest.
Take a picture of me.
Come back, we take a group photo here, guys.
No. We take a photo here.
Group photo here, guys. Group photo here, please. Come back.
Come take a picture of me.
I am. Iron Man. Where are you going?
When we are talking about pillar of my strength, this is now a pillar of somebody's strength.
Okay,
Keep
let's
going,
go.
keep going, keep going.
Keep going.
Ama, you're scared?
Okay, let's keep going, guys.
Let's keep standing by, guys.
I'm scared.
The tree is hollow.
Because we take one. I take one.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Woo-hoo. He didn't react to the taste.
Where were you? Chaku chaku.
What? What? Heading to the waterfall area. What you feeling? Cold. Yeah? Your what?
Under Armour.
What is that? What for? Wow, we've arrived at the waterfall area. See, that's a long time ago. Waterfall area.
She is only going to say that when it's like
What are you doing? Ew. Is this really fit for drinking? Press record if you haven't.
Your me time. Your you time.
We're at the waterfall area. Just about to go in for a photo. Keep going.
This is what I want.
Kake, keep going.
No, that's not the other one. I want this one.
Where?
go. Outside our heads.
Ha ha ha. Yay!
Next, you guys are next.
You guys are
You
next.
guys are next.
Ingia.
Okay, bro, I'll take them two at a time. Okay. Go jump, go jump, go jump. Go jump, go jump, go jump.
That was tough.
Get back here. Get back to me.
That was tough.
We almost died.
Yeah.
We almost died.
Doing
Guys,
the squats
we
challenge
almost
on the
died.
stairs.
Squats challenge, 2 at a time. Oh,
I went halfway. I can't die because of a challenge. It was
I
good.
need more of this every day. This will be like my homework.
New workout regime.
I think ni network
So
imagine.
guys, we're doing the home stretch. I don't know how far away we are from the finish line, but yeah, I think we're almost getting to the end of our little walk. Yeah, it has been exciting with Shakira here.
Guys, you're finishing. Finally.
We're struggling to get to the
God.
finish line. Well, yeah.
It has been fun though. It
It has been so fun.
So fun. So fun.
The place is so cool. I think it's
Cool.
because of the trees.
Yeah.
So you won't sweat much.
Bring your friends so that you don't be alone.
Exactly. You need company
You
around
need
here.
company, you need laughter.
And then you also need to bring some snacks. I didn't carry any. As well as water, because you may need to hydrate. But point to note, when you're bringing water, you have to carry it in a container that's refillable. They don't allow the ready-to-go plastic containers like the Dasani water bottles and stuff like that. So you have to carry in your own water bottle. That is what they allow in here. Yeah, but so far so good. Nice place to network, by the way. If you're marketing something, you can just walk around as you say hi to people and you market your products. Yeah, next time to unwind or get to know someone, like let's say like if you're meeting for the first time or if you're on a date, because it's a long stretch and there's nothing else you're doing. Yeah, so it has been exciting. We'll talk to you. We'll catch up with you guys when we now get to the finish line.
Finish line, yeah.
Yeah, that is Kake serenading us with a flute. Tumechoka hadi akamwacha tu.
Tubamba na muziki.
Wacha tu. Love how it sounds. You can check him out on his socials, Kake or Kake. He's a Nyatiti performer. And he also does a lot of other instruments like drums and, as you can see, a flute.
Kake, pinduka, tembea ukizaidi.
There you go, then. The view from the top. cyclists. Hey, I'm so hungry.
Yeah, just the three of us. Heri na mimi na huyu jamaa.
Guy.
Twende ama ni tafute mtu mwingine?
Twende. Kwenda gari twende mpaka Mombasa.
I'll pick you. Billy, come back. Come by.
Yes. Mimi sio mzito.
Okay, guys, again you are running behind us. Rachel, where are the guys?
Oh, we are behind you.
Bro, come karibu mpaka pale tu kwa nini?
Oh, we are behind you now.
Your job is just to run.
Unachocha tu kando huku behind.
Okay.
Sawa.
Sawa.
Unajua watu hajakula. Mnawahi.
Who's what is this?
It's Silvers. This pose is called a fireman's carry. Yeah, that is how they carry injured people in the army. Well, they're at war. Maybe if you're dead or badly injured, that is how they're going to carry you until they get you to your base. From the
Pick me.
You're late to the party. Guys, we've come to the end of our Karura walk. Yeah, that is the finish line right there. Yeah, we did it. So exciting. Feeling really good, refreshed. I still have some energy. Yeah, it was really fun hiking with these guys. Yeah, I 100% recommend, and I think it is something that you should try. Yeah, you see, people still have energy to do the other shenanigans. Yeah, such a sweet end to the vlog. I think I should end the vlog from here. Thank you so much for watching all the way. I guess I'm tired. Up to this point, if you've not subscribed, please smash the bell on your screen. Just kindly subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming to watch my vlogs, and thank you for sticking with me until the end. Yeah, I guess I'll catch you guys on the
Alexi,
next one. Yes.